Meanwhile, WhatsApp seems to be leaving no stone unturned now to issue clarification over concerns that have been raised about its privacy policy. The social media app has launched a full-fledged campaign across newspapers following a massive row that erupted over fears of data leaks. WhatsApp has rolled out full-page ads in key newspapers today, and the Facebook-owned messaging service boasts of over 200 crore users, and there is now a trend of these users migrating to rival platforms. Seeing that trend, WhatsApp has sprung into action and has now issued ads that reassure that no privacy of any individual will be compromised, and there is no, in fact, intrusion into any of the private messages exchanged by the users. Remember, WhatsApp users started expressing concerns over the fact that they would not be allowed to continue with WhatsApp if they do not sign up to the new terms and conditions applicable from the 8th of February. So my colleague Avni will take us through the major concerns expressed by experts and what WhatsApp has to say now in its defense. Over to you, Avni, to give us an understanding of the overall issue and the specific concerns raised.
Well, that's right. WhatsApp is doing everything it can right now to allay concerns as far as users go, because there is a lot of backlash that has received over its latest update, which connects it to Facebook and has raised all these issues about privacy concerns at this point in time. So let's just go through what experts are saying right now and how WhatsApp has reacted to that. So first off, private interactions becoming public. Now this concern, WhatsApp says that assuring that no one can see messages or hear calls. That is what WhatsApp is saying at this point in time. Then experts have said that personal and financial data is at risk. WhatsApp says that the new policy doesn't affect privacy in any way. That is the reaction given by WhatsApp to this. In fact, as far as location of users are concerned, experts have said that the approximate location can be made known, but WhatsApp says that users' shared location cannot be seen by anybody, and it is completely private. And also the fact that Facebook has a history of data leaks. WhatsApp says that further strengthen privacy norms, since of course we do know the issue of data leaks as far as Facebook is concerned. And WhatsApp has also gone ahead and spoken about certain features that it has added, which includes the disappearing messages option that users have. So if you put that option, then the messages over a certain period can disappear going forward. And of course, WhatsApp says that all of these issues that have been raised are something that users need not be concerned about.
Okay, thanks for joining us, Avni, and for giving us a clear understanding of the concerns expressed on the privacy issue.